Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you through the process of verifying your Introducing Broker account on your Android device. To begin, visit our website and tap on Menu button. And tap on the Partners section. Then tap on the Registration and Login button. Select Partner Login. You will see the Login section. Enter your email and password. Remember, the password was sent to your email when you registered your IB account. Tap Login. Now, you will see a menu with 3 steps for completing your KYC registration. Let's begin with Step 1, SMS Verification. First, choose your country and enter your phone number. Complete the CAPTCHA verification and tap Send to receive the SMS authentication code. Once you receive the authentication code via SMS, enter it and tap Verify. You have successfully completed Step 1. Now, you will see the menu for Step 2, Customer Information Registration. Choose your registration type, either individual registration or corporate registration. In this example, we will demonstrate individual registration. Select your gender and enter your date of birth. Then, fill in your address details. Next, you will need to confirm your IB activity method. If you have previous experience as an IB with other Forex platforms, select Yes. If not, choose No and fill out the relevant details. Read the disclaimer carefully, then tap Confirm. Review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. When everything looks correct, tap Send. Now it's time for Step 3, Submission of KYC documents. Start by uploading your proof of identity documents, followed by your proof of address documents. Once you've uploaded both, tap Upload Documents. Congratulations! Your IB verification is now complete. Our IS6FX team will respond to you within 24 hours. Please note that you will be able to use the partner functions and conduct promotions once the identity verification process is completed. Thank you for choosing IS6FX Partner. We wish you success.